Hi, I hope you're all enjoying your summer. Today we're going to talk about how to keep your plants alive during your holidays. Because you might go away for a couple days or even longer, and whenever you come back, we want your plants to be alive and happy. I hope they're not looking sad like these little plants, so I'm not water that too often. We're gonna give you a couple tips on how to keep your plants alive, so stay tuned. So first of all, relocate your plants. Because it's summer, it's way more sunny in your room, and direct sunlight on green leaves of a plant might cause it to burn. Your leaves could turn yellow, they become crispy, and your plant is just not looking like it used to be. So make sure you get those green leafy plants out of the window, out of the sunshine, and place them somewhere else. There is an exception though. Succulents, the ones with thicker leaves, actually like being in the sun. And also sunflowers are appropriate to have a lot of direct sunlight, so you can leave those in your window. If you have a lot of tropical plants in your room, it might be smart to group all those plants, put them on your table, on your desk, and in that way they get their own little atmosphere. Because they're together, it becomes more humid, and it's just easier for the new caretaker as well. If you go away for a couple days, a week, or even longer, ask one of your roommates to take care of your plants. Because they might not be a plant expert like you. You could help them by leaving them a note. Write down how often they need to water the plant, if it needs to be sprayed, if it needs nutrition. So write that all down, crack the note, stick it onto your plant. And in this way, your roommate can hopefully keep your plant alive. If you are not going on holiday, you might have some extra time to spend with your plants. You might remember our first video on how to propagate your pancake plant. And this is the perfect time to do it, because your plant got out of their winter sleep, started growing really fast. Make some little cuttings, give them to friends, make someone happy, and it gives you something to do during your holidays.